Your ClearCaptions phone is equipped with an emergency alert system. This feature provides life-saving safety alerts to our customers. Our emergency alert system provides updates from the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, directly to your ClearCaptions phone. These alerts will provide timely warnings of nearby weather-related emergencies, such as tornadoes, hurricanes, and flash flooding. The alerts use bright lights, loud sounds, and large, easy-to-read text designed for our senior customers. When an alert is issued, a loud sound will play several times. Your phone's light bar, buttons, and screen will also flash, and you will see the first few lines of the emergency alert on the screen. Tap the Read More button for the full emergency alert. The light will continue to flash until you acknowledge the alert or until FEMA has declared that there is no longer an emergency. If you tap the Close button, the notification will remain at the top of your home screen unless you tap the banner to see the full alert, or there is no longer an emergency. If an alert is issued while using captions on a phone call, the phone will present an alert at the top half of your screen, with the option to tap Read More or Close the alert. The screen will be partially covered by the alert, but captions will still be visible and your call will continue during the alert. Once you clear the alert, the entire screen will be visible. To review active emergency alerts, from the home screen, tap Settings. Tap Emergency Alerts, then tap Emergency Messages. From here, you will be able to see all your active emergency alerts. For more information about how to use the ClearCaptions phone, tap on the Help icon from the home screen, or contact us by tapping the ClearCaptions icon in Contacts or Favorites, or dial 866-868-8695.